Thanks for joining us on Express Updates. My name is Beatrice Bampuado. Do stay tuned. The immediate past minority leader and member of parliament for Tamale South, Haruna Idrisu, has called out on government demanding answers regarding the purported sale of Vodafone Ghana for less than $100 million. According to him, his sources revealed that although Vodafone Ghana is worth $1 billion, it has been sold at a nominal price. He added that the sector minister, Mrs. Ursula Owusu-Ekufo, must appear before Parliament to brief the House on the transaction.
But Mr. Speaker, on my own accord, I want the leader of government business and the business committee to program the Honorable Minister for Communications to come and respond to this House whether it is true that Vodafone, a $1 billion asset of the Republic of Ghana, have been sold on credit for less than $100 million and what the state of that transaction is as an economic transaction within the meaning of Article 185 of the 1992 Constitution, and probably also to update this House on the withering away of Ghana's telecom landscape and its trend. The telecom sector used to be a major revenue source for the government. We are hearing that Vodafone have been sold out on credit at $1 billion worth at less than $100 million. The minister must come and answer to this House the withering away of our telecom sector and their inability to pay revenue to government. But more importantly, you know I don't speculate, Minister for Agri. You know that I'm above speculation. I'm like the blind man. When I say I'll throw a stone, I'm stepping on the stone. I'm aware that $1 billion, I said yes, it's on credit. Let them come and deny. Yes, it's not been paid for. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. So I want the Minister for Communication to come and answer and probably add the preparedness of the country for a 5G generation. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Following speculations on social media on the court's order in the divorce case of Asamoah Gyan and now ex-wife Gifty Gyan, the legal representative for Asamoah Gyan, Edwin Kusi Appiah, has refuted claims that his client was ordered by the court to give his ex-wife Gifty Gyan a fuel station, 2 cars, and a house in London, and other assets as well as monthly stipend of 25,000 Ghana cedis for the welfare and upkeep of their 3 children. Lawyer Kusi Appiah clarified that Asamoah Gyan emerged victorious in the legal proceedings and that the aforementioned properties were already under Gifty's name. Still on Express Update, the new Patriotic Party is set to go to the polls for the election of a flag bearer for the upcoming national elections in 2024. The election is expected to be a horse race among 4 candidates: the Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, MP for Asin Central Kennedy Ohini Ejapon, former Agric Minister Dr. Owusu Akutu-Efriye, and former MP for Mampon Francis Adainimo. Over 200,000 delegates are expected to partake in the new Patriotic Party's presidential elections, scheduled for Saturday, November 4, 2023. On our last story, the Volta River Authority commenced the controlled water spillage from the Akosombo and Kpon dams on September 15, 2023, due to the consistent rise in the inflow pattern and water level of the Akosombo Dam. Thousands of residents have had their homes submerged due to the spillage. The affected areas have received interventions such as food items, mattresses, blankets, books, health screening and medication, among others, from government, organized bodies, and individuals. The Civil and Local Government Association of Ghana, CLOGSAG, also visits the flood victims today, 1st of November 2023. We'll bring you more details in our next bulletin. And that's all we have for you for now on Express Updates. My name is Beatrice Bampuado. Have a good day.